I was gifted this box of 100 sets of 20-ounce cups with the straw, with the lid. Let's talk about it. I was recently at a coffee shop where I literally lifted the cup and it didn't have like the straw, it had like the little mouth opening for the plastic. So I went to put it to my lips and the whole thing just leaked out of the lid, down the cup, onto my shirt. It was a mocha, my shirt was white. It was not pretty. So when I say I'm an expert at knowing about leak proof, look at that, look at that. No spill action, nothing, yes. Also, I have to say, ooh, good straw noise. These straws, it has a very like wide straw action. It's not like a pea shooter. However, I like how sturdy the straw is. Very not like snap worthy. It's not gonna crumble in on itself. I don't know if you could really hear that by the sound test, but I'm very impressed. I know, it's like, it's just a cup. How impressive can a cup be? But there are levels of awesomeness that come with classic cups that have lids, that has a straw. Not all are created equal. But also, I would like to say, came packaged very nicely. These are all the straws. The cups came in a nice big sleeve, which is great for organization. Here's all the lids. I mean, it's just really nice for on the go. And I'm always taking a drink on the go in the car with me. So these cups are where it's at.